Embaixada Japão em Timor-Leste hamutu ku UNDP hala workshop com a inovação na diversificação econômica em Timor-Leste. E o workshop ne apresenta ideia negócio, o vencedor Timor-Wang na hat deve seleciona ali o Dezafiu Inovasaun Azul ASEAN. Programa ida ne organiza o UNDP Timor-Leste no apoio financeiro o governo Japão li o sirane embaixada em Timor-Leste. Embaixador Japão em Timor-Leste Titsui Kimura e nini discurso até tem o total proposta reunida a tostolo lima nulu nebetama e a proposta nem nulu makasai vencedor no nem hat husi sira mai husi Timor-Leste. Entre menang nain Timor-Wan sirane ideia negócio tolo aborda desafio sira husi alteração climática na ida foca ba turismo no sustentável. No proposta hirakne reflete criatividade no compromisso macas husi empresário foi sira e Timor-Leste a carcaria economia azul nebe resiliente no sustentável.
For winning business ideas from Timor-Leste. Selected through the Asian Blue Innovation Challenge, a program organized by UNDP with funding support from the government of Japan. Out of approximately 1,350 applications submitted from across ASEAN, 60 proposals were selected as winners. It is a proud achievement that 4 of those came from Timor-Leste province. Among the Timorese winners, 3 business ideas address the challenges of climate change, while one focusing on sustainable tourism. These proposals reflect the creativity and strong commitment of young entrepreneurs in Timor-Leste to building a resilient and sustainable blue economy. I'm looking forward to hearing their presentation shortly after this opening. In addition, today's panel discussion, featuring representatives from the Women's Business Association, the Pacific Asia Resource Center Inter People's Corporation, the Coffee Association, VNCTL, will explore how innovation in business initiatives can promote economic diversification in Timor-Leste. I hope that the insights shared through the discussion will provide participants with valuable ideas and inspiration for their own work. Japan has been for a long time a supporter of Timor-Leste's national development. Among various projects, we have provided extensive assistance in the marine sector. In the coming months, a Japanese expert will come to Timor-Leste to support the fisheries sector by enhancing fishing techniques and strengthening value chains. In addition, building on the success of ASEAN Blue Innovation Challenge, UNDP and Japan have recently launched the ASEAN Blue Carbon and Finance Profiling Project. This new initiative aims to further explore opportunities in blue carbon and sustainable finance across ASEAN and Timor-Leste. We believe that efforts like these, combining innovation, entrepreneurship, and regional collaboration, are essentially important now with Timor-Leste's official accession to ASEAN in October. Such initiatives will play a key role in supporting long-term resilience and prosperity. To the winners from Timor-Leste, congratulations once again. Your ideas represent not only the future of the blue economy, but also the potential of Timor-Leste's next generation of leaders and change makers. Finally, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to UNDP, the panelists and all participants here today. Thank you for your continued commitment to sustainable development.
Enquanto representante UNDP de Timor-Leste, Katie Argueta afirma UNDP ne apoio luan ba transformação econômica inclusiva no inovação em Timor-Leste. Nebe alinha o objetivo de desenvolvimento sustentável, serviço digno, crescimento econômico, indústria, inovação no infraestrutura, ou ação climática será.
With great pleasure that UNDP joins hands with the Japanese Embassy in Timor-Leste, in close collaboration with the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, to exchange ideas and celebrate innovation and economic diversification. Priorities that are at the heart of the National Strategic Plan 2011-2013 and in the vision of the NAIN constitutional government. Today's workshop was conceived with a special purpose to praise the outstanding Timorese that were awarded in the ASEAN Blue Innovation Challenge. This regional initiative, generously financed by the government of Japan and implemented by UNDP office in Indonesia, aims to promote innovation, entrepreneurship, and support economic diversification. Its ultimate goal is to accelerate sustainable and inclusive development of blue economy across ASEAN countries, including Timor-Leste. As it has been said, from over 1,000 applicants, 4 exceptional entrepreneurs from Timor-Leste have been selected as grant recipients covering a diverse range of interventions, from coastal protection and blue carbon production to sustainable tourism and climate resilience. This celebration is also an appropriate and apposite opportunity to engage key stakeholders involved in economic development, entrepreneurship, innovation, and job creation. Our upcoming panel will bring together representatives from the private sector, business association, the banking sector, and civil society organizations. Together, we will explore the current entrepreneurial landscape and business environment in Timor-Leste, addressing both opportunities and challenges. We will examine ways to foster innovation in economic diversification and explore possibilities to cross-border collaboration. I am confident that through this collective dialogue, we can unlock new pathways for sustainable growth and prosperity for Timor-Leste and the wider region. Change is inevitable. Transformation is a choice. Obrigada, Bharat. Thank you for your participation.
Reportagem Novai Magno, televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emohoto. Atua tem informação atual dia kliu. Kita haluha. Haneham botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.